Tribal came in with an assessment of our business, looked at what we were doing, got to know our business.
If someone's going to sell and market your business, they have to know what it is that you do, and they need to immerse themselves in the business. And with Tribal Vision, that's really what we found.
The marketing plan that Tribal Vision delivered was actionable every step of the way.
Taking a look not just at what I would call the tactics of marketing, but really pulling together an entire plan, a strategy, and get that message out to all of our customers.
We've really learned that marketing strategy really guides our overall company strategy.
It was really a partnership. It was a consultative approach. It was a way for us to think differently. It was come in, see who we are, and figure out what we can do differently that we hadn't done.
Every week we get a status update. Our priorities are reset once a month. They have been on point and are on target and at budget every step of the way.
For approximately the cost of one marketing executive, we get an entire team.
Working with a outsourced marketing consultant versus hiring someone in-house or working with a larger consulting company by far was the most cost-effective of those three alternatives for us.
It's definitely worth the expense to bring somebody in who knows what they're doing and have them be as passionate about marketing your company as you are about building your company.
Our phone is ringing off the hook, and we've got more business than we can install. It's a great thing.
We've been working with Tribal Vision for a little bit over 3 months, and already we have increased lead generation by 12% over the last 30 days.
And I'm confident that as we expand our relationship and we expand our marketing, that each step of the way they're going to be able to add value and teach us something in those areas that we had no idea, that we actually didn't know.
Check out Tribal Vision. I think you'll find that in comparison to the others, Tribal Vision will likely be the best.